Chocolate fudge cupcakes. Ingredients: 200 grams butter, 200 grams plain chocolate, under 70% cocoa solids is fine, 200 grams light, soft brown sugar, 2 eggs, beaten, 1 tsp vanilla extract, 250 grams self-raising flour, sweets and sprinkles. To decorate for kids, 200 grams plain chocolate, 100 milliliters double cream, not fridge cold, 50 grams icing sugar. Instructions: heat oven to 160 C/140 C, fan gas 3, and line a 12-hole muffin tin with cases. Gently melt the butter, chocolate, sugar and 100 milliliters hot water together in a large saucepan, stirring occasionally, then set aside to cool a little while you weigh the other ingredients. Stir the eggs and vanilla into the chocolate mixture, put the flour into a large mixing bowl, then stir in the chocolate mixture until smooth, spoon into cases until just over 3/4 full. You may have a little mixture left over, then set aside for 5 minutes before putting on a low shelf in the oven and baking for 20-22 minutes. Leave to cool. For the icing, melt the chocolate in a heat-proof bowl over a pan of barely simmering water. Once melted, turn off the heat, stir in the double cream and sift in the icing sugar. When spreadable, top each cake with some and decorate with sprinkles and sweets. For more videos, like and subscribe. Find the link in the description.